Do you have someone in your life who is just plain difficult to deal with? Someone who gets under your skin and makes your blood boil? If so, you're not alone. We all have people like that in our lives. But what can you do about them? Here are 3 ways to destroy your enemy. Let's begin. Number 1. First, you need to understand your enemy. Take time to figure out what kind of an enemy you are dealing with. Not all enemies are created equal. Depending on whom your enemy is and the nature of your relationship with him/her, you need to learn more about how they work before you can start to destroy them. Your enemies are like the opposite version of you. So it's important to understand your enemy first. Number 2. Keep your enemy closer to you. The old adage which says, if you keep your friends close, keep your enemies closer is always true. If you want to vanquish your enemy, you have got to learn how they behave. That means talking with them, watching them, and learning everything about them. You will be able to identify their weakness. Every enemy has a weakness, no matter how strong they seem when they are putting you on their heels. Number 3. Improve yourself. Your enemies are always actively acting against your success and are often negative towards you. They may also try to stop your successful life. They can't be able to tolerate your successful life and your happiness. These are the 3 ways to destroy your enemy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Keep loving and do support. Take care.